Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. The last couple days of April are upon us, and we're looking at some chances for isolated strong to severe thunderstorms as we roll into parts of this week. Toasty to start, temperatures breaking above 80 in many cases today. We'll probably do the same thing for tomorrow. Breezy winds are going to take over to shoot us just a little bit higher, and then we're going to see an unsettled pattern start with a severe storm threat both Tuesday and Wednesday, possibly even another one on Thursday, although confidence is a little lower in that. So a busy week ahead after what was a beautiful start. Look at this home view tonight. Just a few cumulus clouds in the sky, otherwise a clear sky with plenty of sunshine. It was a warm, comfortable day out there for us, and we're still seeing those temps in the 80s or around 80 as we stroll through tonight. 80 degrees right now in Lexington. You can see most of us are sat there. We're probably going to get back there for tomorrow. But the next big thing is actually going to be how things change for us as this unsettled pattern gets going. Average high 71. We're going to try to get back to 82 or 83 tomorrow. Near 80 both Wednesday and Thursday, and then the cold front finally comes through to knock us down a few pegs into Derby weekend. We do rebound into the following week. The first week of May looks near or above average, but this is the more important part of the forecast for now. The next several days have a good chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Tomorrow night, a level 2 risk is in place for us across the northern half of the Fox 56 viewing area. In southern Kentucky and eastern Kentucky, a level 1 out of 5 risk, meaning that better chances for some severe weather a little further to the north. Overall, we're looking at damaging winds and hail. Obviously can't rule out an isolated tornado chance, but that threat is low. Same with the flooding chance. Not a lot of rain coming out of this system as these storms blow through. Here's the system now bringing some significant severe weather potential to the upper Midwest with some watches going all the way down through Texas. Many areas seeing a chance for severe storms. This system is going to pack that punch again the next couple of days. As far as timing goes, we're not looking at anything until Tuesday afternoon. Clouds increase overnight, so do the winds. Going to be a bit gusty tomorrow at times out of the south. But then you'll see here as we roll into the afternoon, a couple of isolated storms try to pop up for us early in the afternoon. Better chance, though, for a bit more scattered activity comes in for us after 5 or 6 p.m. with a broken line of storms there in the northern half. And then you see it gets a bit disorganized and scattered across the southern half as we go into later parts of Tuesday. This is now 10 p.m. That front trying to push through. Those storms will linger into parts of Wednesday morning, but not likely to be severe early Wednesday. Then a new warm front develops for us into Wednesday afternoon. And again, we're looking at an isolated thunderstorm threat, some of which could be strong to severe. That's something we'll have to keep an eye on as we get into Wednesday, too, but we want to take it just one day at a time. That warm front then continues to drive north. We get new showers and storms into our Thursday. The cold front that's actually going to change our temperatures a bit comes in Thursday night into Friday, so we'll be tracking the chance for rain showers and storms almost every day this week. And again, some of those could be strong to severe. As far as rainfall totals go, not a lot, ½ inch to an inch generally over the course of the next week or so, but we will see those showers and storms linger into Friday. Saturday, they cool off for us. They get out of town. Derby looks good Sunday.